Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from MEDIATEK KT107 to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere, and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. I already had to install it over here because it will take on forever, so I will go with Open right away. Then click I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now we have to do the same on an Android, so open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select receive on an Android and send over here on MEDIATEK. Then click on all of those kind of dots and choose send in order to send all of your data. Then click got it. And from here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on the scanning icon over here on an Android, select allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you can always go into, for example, File Manager, select in my case images and tap on Send Anywhere album.